Hello friends, how are you? Now today we are going to see your part seconds chapter number 6 classification of plants. Once again I am going to repeat which topic today we are going to learn. We are started the topic of science part 2. The name of the chapter is classification of plants from standard 9, right? Now before going to start classification of plants, we are going to see which topics are included in this chapter. The name of the first topic is kingdom planting. The name of the second topic is subkingdom gymnosperm, and third topic is subkingdom angiosperm. These three topics we are going to learn in this chapter. Now before going to see actually classification of plant, in standard 8 we are studied about the 5 kingdom system which is represented or which is given to us by a scientist. The name of that scientist is Robert Whittaker. What is the name of that scientist? Robert Whittaker in 1959 proposed a theory. The name of that theory is 5 kingdom system. Now this 5 kingdom system consists of Monera, Protista, Plantae, Fungi and Animalia. Right? Once again I am going to repeat the 5 kingdom system of Robert Whittaker. First one is Monera, second one is Protista, third one is Plantae, fourth one is Fungi, and fifth one is known as Animalia. Now let us see how can he distribute. Scientist Robert Whittaker distribute this 5 kingdom system. Living organism is divided into two categories, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. I think you can easily understand what is the concept of prokaryotic and what is the concept of eukaryotic. बरोबर, तुम्हाला सर्वांना माहित असेल की लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझमचे दोन प्रकार पडतात, प्रोकॅरियोटिक आणि युकॅरियोटिक. आणि इयत्ता 8वीला आपण प्रत्यक्षात प्रोकॅरियोटिक म्हणजे काय आणि युकॅरियोटिक म्हणजे काय शिकलो. Prokaryotic means that without distinct nucleus, while eukaryotic means with distinct nucleus. Now what is the meaning of this? In prokaryotic we find that we cannot identify actual what is nucleus, what is nucleus, cell wall, etc. and other organelle present in the nucleus. But in eukaryotic type we find that nucleus is distinct. It means that we can easily find out what is nucleus, cell wall, and what are the organelles present in the nucleus. Now in prokaryotic there is one kingdom. The name of that kingdom is Monera. In eukaryotic there are unicellular and multicellular organisms are present. In unicellular organism there is a kingdom known as Protista. The name of this kingdom is given due to the pores present on the body of that organism. In multicellular organism they are divided into two categories, without cell wall and with cell wall. Without cell wall is divided into two categories, autotrophs and heterotrophs. Now autotrophs mean स्वयंपोषी आणि heterotrophs म्हणजे काय, परपोषी. ऑटोट्रॉफ जी स्वयंपोषी आहे, स्वयंपोषी याचा अर्थ काय, जे स्वतःचं अन्न स्वतः तयार करू शकतात त्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो, स्वयंपोषी वनस्पती. ऑटोट्रॉफ्स आर द plants which can create their own food themselves. They are known as autotrophs. And heterotrophs, they can depend for their food on another, right? In autotroph there is a Plantae, that is plants. In heterotroph there is a fungi, right? And in multicellular organism which with the cell walls they are known as Animalia, that is the animals, right? Now let us see what is the difference or which are the special organic that differentiates plant cell from the animal cell. Now can you tell me, when we compare in standard 8 or when we distinguish between plant cell and animal cell, at that time we are written some point of differences between them, but there is a special cell organelle. Can you tell me what is the name of that special organelle? I think you can easily remember one thing, that the chloroplast. What is the chloroplast? Is the special cell organelle found in plant. They are not found in animal, and this differentiate the animal cell with the plant cell, right? What is the name of that special organelle? Chloroplast, right? This is all about the Robert Whittaker's five kingdom system. Now let us turn to the next point, that botanist named Eichler in 1983 classified the kingdom Plantae into two subkingdoms, that is known as cryptogams and phanerogams. Now before going to see the Eichler's kingdom system for plants, we are trying to understand what are the basis of classification of plants, right? Let us see what are the basis of classification of plants. याचा अर्थ काय लक्षात आला का तुमच्या? कोणत्या तत्वांच्या आधारे किंवा कोणत्या गोष्टींच्या आधारे आपण वनस्पतींचं वर्गीकरण करू शकतो. The first one is presence or absence of organs. Presence or absence of organ. प्लांट मध्ये कोणते ऑर्गन प्रेझेंट आहे, कोणते ऑर्गन्स अब्सेंट आहे, बरोबर आहे. हा पहिला तर्क, हा पहिली गोष्ट विचारात घेण्यात आली. सेकंड, प्रेझेन्स और absence of special type of conducting tissue. Special type of conducting tissue. Now you are familiar with that. There are two types of conducting tissue. The name of that two types are xylem, and second one is phloem. Xylem carries the water, while phloem conducts the food material required for the growth of the plant. Third one is that presence or absence of seeds. Presence or absence of seeds in plants. Fourth one is whether seeds are enclosed, whether seeds are enclosed in fruits or not. In fruits or not. याचा अर्थ की वनस्पतीच्या फळामध्ये सीड आतमध्ये आहेत किंवा नाही, याही गोष्टीचा विचार करण्यात आला. And last thing is that number of cotyledons present. Number of cotyledons present in seeds. Now we know that there are two cotyledons or single cotyledon is present in the plant. Single cotyledon is called as monocotyledon, and when there is two cotyledons are present, it is called as dicotyledon. These are the 5 points which shows us the basis for classification of plants. Let us revise in short. The first one is presence or absence of organs, right? Second one, presence or absence of special type of conducting tissue. We know that what are that special type of conducting tissue, that is xylem and phloem. Third one is presence or absence of seeds. बीज आहेत किंवा नाही. Fourth one is whether the seeds are enclosed in fruits or not. And fifth one is number of cotyledons present in seed. These are the 5 points which shows us the basis for classification of plant. Thank you.